state health officials are linking the botulism outbreak to a Lancaster church's potluck on Sunday night.
Right now, there are no confirmed cases, but there are 18 suspected cases, including one that killed a 54-year-old woman. Another 21 people are being observed. An antitoxin from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention arrived last night. CDC reps are expected to arrive tomorrow. Doctors say if people with symptoms are given the antitoxin, it will greatly reduce recovery time.
Hi guys, so today we are going to talk about botulism. So here are the key facts. So, botulism is caused by Clostridium botulinum, which are these guys. So, under low oxygen condition, they can produce a toxin called botulinum toxin, in which this toxin is very dangerous. Basically, the botulinum toxin will block the nerve function. This will lead to respiratory and also muscular paralysis. There are 4 types of botulism that we would like to discuss today. First one is foodborne botulism, infant botulism, inhalation botulism, and wound botulism. So let's talk about foodborne botulism. Foodborne botulism occurs when Clostridia botulinum grows and produces toxin in food prior to consumption. The botulinum toxin has been found in variety of food such as green beans, spinach, and canned tuna. Next is the infant botulism. Infant botulism occurs mostly when infants under 6 months of age ingest Clostridia botulinum spores, which will germinate into bacteria that colonize in the gut and release toxins, which, like I said before, is dangerous. And infant botulism include constipation, loss of appetite, and an altered crying. Third is the wound botulism. Wound botulism occurs when the spores from Clostridia botulinum gets into an open wound and eventually will develop under the anaerobic environment. So lastly is the inhalation botulism. This one is not so common and it does not occur naturally. It is associated with accidental events such as bioterrorism.
The mechanism of toxicity for botulism.
Okay, in normal neurotransmitter release, looking into the axon terminal, synaptic vesicles containing acetylcholine is released. 3 SNAP protein, the blue synaptobrevin, purple syntaxin, and yellow SNAP25 forms complexes. The complex will allow synaptic vesicles to fuse with the plasma membrane. Then, the neurotransmitter is released into the synapse. The acetylcholine will bind to the receptor and transmit signal to the muscle. This leads to muscle contraction. In the mechanism of toxicity, the neuron takes in botulinum toxin by endocytosis. When the toxin is get activated, the light chain slips out of the vesicles and start to cleave the protein. Without the SNAP protein, there will be no fusion to the plasma membrane. Thus, acetylcholine is not released. This results in muscle getting completely relaxed and flaccid.
The sign and symptoms for botulism.
Hi everyone, meet Ali. Ali loves to eat canned foods. But one day, he accidentally ate a dented one. A few hours later, he developed some symptoms.
The symptoms are double vision, drooping eyelid, dry mouth, difficulty swallowing, difficulty in breathing, and muscle weakness.
Management of toxicity.
Antitoxin should be administered as soon as possible after a clinical diagnosis. Severe botulism cases require supportive treatment such as mechanical ventilation. Antibiotics are not required except in the case of wound botulism, for example, penicillin G, metronidazole.